How to switch Apple ID in the easiest way 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you're going to be able to switch your Apple ID accounts on the same phone. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to your App Store. And once you're gone to your App Store, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the top right section for the account. Now, once you have done that, what you're simply going to do is you're going to sign out of your current account and sign in with your new one. Or what you can do is you can come over to your main account section, wait for the actual prophecy to load in. And once it's done, it's going to ask you for your Touch ID. And once that is done, here you have all of your main settings. So either add the proper account to it or just sign out with this current account and switch to another one. So that is pretty much all there is on how you can switch your Apple ID accounts. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.